Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I'd like to thank the company for sending me this bag for small tools. It's really a great bag because it has 3 compartments, and I'll show that to you in just a second. The thing I like about these is it has 3 small cases that go inside of a bigger bag. And the thing about it is it has a clear plastic right here, and you can see your tools, what you have in each compartment. It also has a little handle on each compartment, which makes it nice. It has the zipper that opens up. I love being able to see what's in each compartment because there's nothing worse at getting to an emergency fix and not having what you need, and then scrambling for tools, digging down trying to find them. So I like the plastic cover here, and I can easily see my tools. So there are 3 of those, the second one and the third, and again, they have the individual handles, which makes it nice. They have a little place here that you can actually put a tag in, an identification tag, whatever. It has a shoulder strap that I like, and the thing about the shoulder strap is it's really soft right here. So you can wear the shoulder strap if you like, carrying the tools. And it does hook onto the main compartment here. And this opens up, which is really nice. You have a mesh pocket right here. And of course, this is where your strap would hang or clip. You have an extra place here to put screwdrivers down in, pliers, anything that you might need to hang on the side. And you have another mesh compartment here. It has another opening here, another compartment that if you wanted to put screwdrivers, anything like that right here, you can. And again on the other side as well. It's really nice. And of course you've got the handle here if you choose to carry it by the handle. When you open it up, this is the fun part. When you open it up, you can put these 3 bags in and stack them. So it all goes in one compartment. Zip it back up and you're ready to go. So I'm going to put some tools in it and we'll see what it looks like. I have several projects that I need to work on today. And the nice thing about these 3 compartments is when I work on my tractor, I can have all of my wrenches in one compartment, which is nice. I can take it out, got the handle, it's all there. I can put the instruments that I need at the time in the individual bags, pliers, and screwdrivers in this one, just smaller screwdrivers. You can put anything in there, but this is what I need for today. Now, what I'll do is stack these inside like so, and I'll put the handle where you pull them out. And I just stack them in. zip it up. And the nice thing about it is I have a place where I can put more screwdrivers. You can put anything you want to in your little compartments, but I can put my bigger screwdrivers here. And they will stay nicely. And in this compartment here on top, I might even put a cold pack and a snack up there just so that I don't have to come back inside. And here I have I'll need my laser a little bit later in the day, so I have it with me. And of course my tape measure in this side, in this mesh compartment. And it just makes it so much easier when you're taking a small amount of tools or the tools you need for that particular purpose. I hope you'll give it a try. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.